Hello there, wonderful viewers! Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to turn off time-sensitive notifications on Snapchat. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. You can check that in the App Store or the Google Play Store. Open the settings on your iOS device. Once you are in the settings, scroll all the way down until you can see the .Snapchat app. Here it is, so let's open it. And on this page we need to tap on notifications. You can see the time-sensitive notifications right here. It says here that time-sensitive notifications are always delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour. So if you are in focus mode or a do not disturb focus mode, Snapchat messages or snaps will be delivered no matter what focus mode you are on. So just turn this off and the time-sensitive notifications will be disabled for Snapchat. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.